Stop! Canadian car companies are lying to you. I'm Matt Smith from Alberta and I have a credit score of 425. I just got approved for a car loan of $50,000 on a credit score of 425. And how did I do this? Well, I was on YouTube and I saw this ad, and I usually don't click on ads, but I was so sick of my old clunker and worrying if I was going to be able to make it to work the next day that I decided to take this quiz. And so I clicked the link and I entered some information about myself. Within an hour, a dealership reached out to me saying, "Congratulations, Matt, you're approved for the truck that you picked out." So now I have a 2018 Ford F-150, and it's all thanks to this quiz. So somewhere around this video, there's a link, and if you click or press that link, you're going to be taken then to this free quiz. And you enter some information about yourself, and you can instantly find out how much you can get. Now, there's a lot of misinformation about getting an auto loan for people with bad credit, so I just want to go over my experience. So the first main benefit that I found is a $0 down payment option. You know, like me and a lot of Canadians, I don't have a lot of money, so this $0 down payment option was ideal for me. Second, all credit scores are accepted. I had a credit score, like I said, it was like 420 in that range, and I was able to get approved for that Ford F-150. So all credits accepted. They don't discriminate like these big banks do. And then third is a low APR. So you know you want that percentage rate to be as low as possible. With this car program, you're able to get it down to the single digits. And then fourth, I was able to get my truck the same day. The car was waiting for me. I drove home. I was able to drive to work the next day, show it off to my friends, and it was great. And then finally, the $147 a month payment option. I thought I was going to be paying hundreds, 400, 500. I was shocked when my payment was under 200. So somewhere around this video, there's a link, and if you press or click that link, you'll be taken to the quiz, and then you can enter some information about yourself and find out instantly how much you qualify for. And this is just a huge win for me and my family. I no longer have to worry about, my wife doesn't have to worry, my kids don't have to worry, is Dad gonna call, his car broke down on the way to work again? I can get to work, I can be the provider that I am, and I don't have to pay these outrageous terms like I thought I was gonna have to pay. So click the link, take the quiz, and find out how much you qualify for.